We stopped at IKEA. We don't have one of these near our house. And got Swedish meatball. I didn't have no idea that they had a diner or anything. And they had these for 99 cents. So Steve got the dark chocolate. And then got me the milk chocolate. I like milk chocolate better. But yeah, they got a huge cafeteria. We haven't even started looking around the store yet. I'll show you some things if anything else is interesting. Here's some of the baby section. Lots of stuffed animals. Their prices are really good. I'm shocked. I really like how they have things set up. Like, instead of just having for sale organizers, they have things set up so that you can see how they look. They even have clothes hanging. That's some nice stuff, huh? Look how cool this is. This is what I was telling you guys about, having everything staged for sale. Yeah, this one's set up as a closet. And that's not even, of course, a real window, but they have it to make it look like one. Like light boxes, I guess you would call it. Look at these cool lights. 20 bucks.
I don't know how bright they would be.
Well, I know, but they're cool looking. $376 square foot kitchen.
Kitchen, living room, and bedroom.
Oh.
All in this little area.
Well, that's kind of nifty. Well, let's see here. All right. I don't know what this is modeled after, but it's kind of cool. Storage and lights up there, and couch and stuff there. Kitchen with the stools you could sit and eat at. That's adorable. And then right in the corner.
This is all storage behind.
Oh, okay, hold on, let me see that. Then there's storage. More storage.
That's got a light.
Cool.
Open the door. It's like a refrigerator.
Storage is the key when you have a small home. Look at this. Even no bathroom. This would be the shower. Of course, it's not all set up, but they've got storage places. Very, very, very cute.
Pay attention to this.
Huh?
See this mirror?
Hold on.
And then you open it up, and you can hang your keys and stuff.
Well,
up
how
underneath it.
cute of an idea is that? I like that little bitty LED light above it. It's really cute. Well, I could live in a place this small.
I'm saying this would be perfect
Yeah.
for us.
Oh, they've got a little step ladder so you can reach the above storage areas. Here's another whole bedroom set up. Just like somebody's living there. They got the suit hanging. They got all their stuff in the wardrobe. And, oh my goodness, we didn't wake them up. Kind of a cool idea. Just have lace curtains over your closet stuff. This is my dream sink. It's a farmhouse sink. Yep. I don't even like gray, but this is beautiful. That stove is awesome. I love the way they got those hanging things beside them. And then some of the cabinets with glass. I love that look. Got the farmhouse kitchen over there too. Or sink, I mean. She found a neat thing. The top ones, when you open them, a light comes on. And then they're all soft close.
Oh, now that's nice to put all your stuff
That's
up.
very nice, yeah.
Not use it.
Very nice. This is set up like a living room.
Kitchen. Hey, Grandpa, what's for
It's almost like you're really touring somebody's house. Oh, and the balcony. That is cool how they did that. Okay, folks. Made it out of IKEA, and we didn't buy anything. We just wanted to look around. It is so cold that my glasses are all fogged up now from getting in the car. We got Mom's car today. We had a lot of work done on it, so we wanted to try it out, and it's doing pretty good. Okay, hope you enjoyed the IKEA trip, our first time, and we might come back. We found some really good deals there. Okay, have a great day, everybody.